title of this lesson is Determining Percent of Seed Germination, Enhancing Mathematics in the Career Technical Classroom and Providing Relevance in the Mathematics Classroom. Now, the last lesson that we learned was how to germinate and keep up with the germination rate of a certain seed. So we would know if it was 80% seed, if it was 90% seed, if it was 86% seed or 98% seed, and we could keep up with germination rate so we could have maximum efficiency of growing seeds within our gardens. And not only are we worried about how many seeds is going to produce, we want the effectiveness of the seeds to also be produced. So I guess what we're saying is we want healthy plants. We want plants that are stable and produce the most as they possibly can. So how we do this is through years. We develop our seeds and we collect our seeds, but we keep up with what the maximum growth rate of the plants are. And this maximum percent is determined by a graph. Now what we're going to do is after we've taken this and these seeds germinate here, and we plant them in an individual planter or a pot. And that pot would look like this, and we will have our dirt. This particular dirt that we're going to use is ProMix. ProMix has got perlite, vermiculite, and some type of humus or some type of humus in it, which is probably going to be peat moss. Okay. We're going to plant the seed. As soon as the seed breaks the top of the soil, we're going to start a graft. And we're going to label this half an inch, 1 inch. 1.5 inches, 2 inches. 2.5 inches, 3 inches. 3.5 inches, 4 inches. 4.5 inches, 5 inches. And you get the sort. You can go on up. You can actually begin to kind of skip halves as you go along. You can go here to 6, here to 7, and then just space it out the same width as it would have been. Does that make sense? On your spacing. So that way you're not having to, once the plant starts growing, it's going to grow and it's going to grow quickly. Then over here, I'm going to write down days. Day 1, day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like our objective says, students will learn to collect data graphically and represent the results, and to write equations using the y-intercept. We have to keep up with what the production level is. So, an example, I would come in here, and I would come in day 1, and you would see it would be about here. So I would say day 1 was on 0.5%. Day 2, I'd measure from the soil up with a measuring tape. And as I would pull it up, I would say day 2 was about 1.5 inches. And then I would say day 3 would be about 3 inches.